Lakshya Maurya and I have made a hydraulic bridge which is same as a concept in physics, hydraulic machinery. Things needed: wooden base, 4 syringes, tape and glue, slim piece of wood to make road and water. Procedure: Step 1. Cut the wood and make a wooden base like mine. Step 2. Make a road from the slim piece of wood. Step 3. Attach the rod to the ends of the wooden base with the help of tape. Step 4. Attach 2 syringes under the rod and attach pipes on the top of the syringes. Step 5. Fill the left 2 syringes with water and attach it to the pipe. Now test the model if it is working. If not, then change the water. Now let's take a closer look to the model so that you can understand it better. This is the main machinery of this model, the syringes. When force is applied, the piston of this syringe moves upwards. The hinge is attached with tape. Explanation: when force is applied on the controlling syringe, the water moves to the other 2 syringes and pushes the piston of the syringe upwards. The model represents a concept in physics, hydraulic machinery. Some examples of hydraulic bridge are Tower Bridge, London.
Good afternoon, I am Lakshya Maurya and I have made this hydraulic bridge with just the help of 4 syringes. When we apply force on these 2 syringes, these 2 syringes move upwards, and when we pull these 2 syringes move downwards. Thank you.